Hello everyone, this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited, and today I've got a 2007, this is a Chrysler Town & Country minivan, Stow-N-Go option. I'm going to do a walk around and startup of this vehicle. Comes in this white color, body's in really good condition. I think it's a 3.3 liter V6. Of course, automatic transmission. Looks like it's all four tires are wrapped in Continentals. I'm gonna start over here. Door cards look really good. Dash is in nice shape. So this is a kind of a base model, I would say, Town & Country. Sometimes when I think Town & Country, I think this is the fancy one. But no, this is like the mechanical doors, which is nice. You know, sometimes those motorized electrical ones get a little bit haywire-y, so there's a lot less to go wrong with this one. In the Stow-N-Go, you have your hatches that come up and your seats fold down in. If you're not sure how Stow-N-Go works, look it up on YouTube. These are actually really cool. This turns from people carrier to cargo carrier really quick, and of course it is a dual slider door on both sides. Easy to open and close. This one has a small hitch down below. So the Town & Country LX is the model. I kind of like the basic of it all. These fold backwards, of course, into this little trunk area to make a flat surface. And then being maybe you got cubbies here, you got cubbies in the back row, you've got pocket cup holders in the slider doors, and then cup holders everywhere. So this is quite the people carrier, and like I said, with all the seats fold flat, quite the cargo carrier as well. Body looks really in good condition. Go ahead and open on this side as well. These doors open very smoothly. This does have rear air controls in back, and you have vents in the third and second rows. Each seat gets like two cup holders in the back, and you got a cup holder in the doors. And of course, these windows all go straight down too, which is nice. Door cards here on the driver's side. You got power windows, locks, cruise, tilt, or power windows, locks, cruise is over there. I'm sorry. And you got power. It's the end of the day here. You got your power windows all in the door here. You do have cubbies. This, you got a little bit of wear right here, but not bad. I've seen a lot worse. Of course, these are side curtain airbags in the seats. Lights on the dash here, or your lights for the dash. 164,000 some odd. There's your cruise control right there. We'll turn this on again real quick. Let's see what that says. 164,584 miles on this 2007 Chrysler Caravan. We're faced west at 86 degrees. This is nuts. Multiple cup holders here, and got all sorts of things. The beauty about vans, they got little cubbies everywhere. This is going to be your cup holders. Cubbies here, climate control, all that good stuff. That's your rear air. That's front air. That's AC air, which is nice on a day like this. And your stock stereo. So then here you got your sunglasses. Then you've got your mirror to spy on the kids back there. So this is a really cool van. So this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited. Come check this thing out. If you're looking for a cargo carrier and a people carrier that gets decent gas mileage, people forget about these. Everyone wants to go automatically to an SUV, and this is more handy than an SUV. So let's turn off this Hurricane. So yeah, if you use credit unions, national banks, lenders that work with bad credit, no credit, we also in-house finance. So no matter what your situation is, we've got a lending solution for you. Come check this one out. Give us a call, 360-273-0711 if you want to set an appointment or have any questions about this, or put some comments down below. Thanks for watching my videos. Like I said, if you have any questions, do reach out. Thanks again, and keep on putting out videos.